Please welcome rising star Ryan Parker.
Thank you, everyone, for believing in me.
We love your music, Ryan!
We believe in you, Ryan. We believe in you, Ryan.
Welcome, everyone. Tonight, we discover amazing new talent. Our next contestant believes he can become globally famous.
Another dreamer, hoping for instant success tonight.
Let us see whether confidence matches actual talent.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity.
Tell us your name and biggest dream.
My name is Ryan, becoming global singer someday.
That sounds like a very ambitious goal.
Big dreams require courage and hard work.
Many people say that before failing publicly.
He looks nervous, standing there completely alone.
People can laugh, but dreams deserve chances.
Then show us something truly special tonight.
I will give everything I have tonight. This song means everything to me, personally.
Hopefully, it means something to audience too.
I practiced every day, preparing for this moment.
Then do not waste your opportunity tonight.
Thank you. I am ready now.
The stage belongs entirely to Ryan.
Come on, kid. Surprise everyone tonight.
I will try my very best.
Music starts now. Good luck, Ryan.
You are the magic, the love in my soul.
His voice sounds better than expected.
Wait, he is actually really talented.
Interesting. Perhaps I judged too quickly.
Let us hear the complete performance first.
Ryan has finished his performance successfully tonight. That was amazing. Great job, Ryan.
Your voice was decent, nothing extraordinary.
What? He sounded incredible tonight.
Talent. Talent alone cannot create global success.
I understand. Success requires much more effort.
Honestly, becoming a global star seems impossible currently.
Thank you for your honest opinion today.
Many contestants dream big, but disappear later.
I will continue chasing my dream, regardless.
Confidence is admirable. Reality remains difficult.
Difficult paths often lead to the greatest destinations. I like his attitude and determination.
Judges, please share your final decision.
My answer is unfortunately no today.
My answer is also no tonight.
Thank you for listening to my performance.
Consider smaller goals before aiming worldwide fame.
Focus on local success. before dreaming globally.
I appreciate your advice and feedback.
He deserved better than this decision.
Unfortunately, Ryan will not continue competition.
This is not end of my journey.
Good luck. You will need it.
Thank you, I definitely will.
Ryan, you sang beautifully tonight. Honestly, you were incredible.
The judges clearly disagreed with that opinion.
Judges can be wrong sometimes.
Maybe they are right about me.
Do not say that after working hard.
I really wanted this opportunity badly.
One rejection cannot destroy your dream.
It still hurts hearing those comments.
Use that pain as motivation moving forward.
I will try doing exactly that. Another day, another music practice session.
You never stop working on improvement.
Because I still believe in myself.
That belief will help you succeed eventually.
Most people think my dream impossible.
Most people are not living your life.
Sometimes I feel completely alone.
You are not alone, remember that.
Thanks, Emma. Your support means everything.
Then keep singing and proving doubters wrong.
You can perform here every Friday evening.
Thank you. This opportunity means a lot.
Customers enjoy live music during weekends.
I will give audience memorable performance.
Who is that singer on stage?
His voice sounds really impressive.
Thank you, everyone, for listening tonight.
You deserve much bigger audience, honestly.
Maybe someday that will happen. Keep going, people will notice.
Did you upload the performance online today?
Yes, but nobody watches my videos.
Every successful creator started somewhere small.
I hope viewers eventually find my music.
Give internet some time to respond.
I will keep posting consistently anyway.
Consistency creates opportunities many people miss.
Then I will stay consistent.
Wow! Your video gained 1,000 views overnight!
Yesterday, nobody even noticed my channel.
People are finally discovering your talent.
This feels unbelievable, honestly.
Success often starts with small momentum.
Maybe things are finally changing.
They definitely are changing already.
Emma. Another video exploded online today.
How many views does it have?
More than 1 million already today.
That is incredible growth within short time.
People from different countries are commenting.
Your music is reaching global audience now.
This feels like dream becoming reality.
You earned this through hard work.
Hello, Ryan. We love your music. Thank you. Who am I speaking with?
Major record company wants meeting tomorrow.
Are you serious right now?
Completely serious. Your music has huge potential.
I would love discussing opportunities.
Great. We will send details shortly.
Thank you very much for believing.
Ryan, your story inspired many people.
That means a lot coming from professionals like you.
We want to offer recording contract today.
This is unbelievable opportunity for me.
We believe audience connects with authenticity.
I promise giving everything to this career.
Welcome to our music family.
Thank you. I will work harder.
Please welcome rising star Ryan Parker.
Thank you, everyone, for supporting my journey.
We love your music, Ryan!
Tonight belongs to all dreamers everywhere.
We believe in you, Ryan. We believe in you, Ryan.
Let us create unforgettable memories together.
Winner for Best New Artist, Ryan Parker.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Ryan. Congratulations, Ryan.
Thank you, everyone, for believing in me.
You deserve this recognition tonight.
This award belongs to every dreamer.
Amazing speech, amazing inspiration.
Never let rejection define your future.
Welcome back, global superstar Ryan Parker. Let's go! Let's go!
It feels strange standing here again.
Last time judges rejected your dream.
Yes, but rejection changed my life.
Ryan, we owe apology today.
Thank you. I appreciate honesty.
We underestimated your determination completely.
Many people did back then.
any final message tonight?
Never allow others to define your future.
Powerful words from global superstar Ryan.
Dreams seem impossible until they become reality.
We love you!
Thank you for your incredible support.
What an amazing journey from rejection to success.
Remember, every star started completely unknown.